going to teach you a little magic trick. Shh, don't tell anybody.
Abracadabra, alakazam, you stand up!
Wow, is this magic? Can you actually control elements? No, it's science. Magnet!
Abracadabra, alakazam, you stand up!
Hi guys, I'm Ananya and let's do some fun experiments with magnets. So for this experiment, I've got a magnet, a bowl full of water, and a needle pinned to a paper. So using all of these items, I'm going to try and make a compass. For those of you who don't know what a compass is, a compass always helps you find your way when you get lost by pointing north. So now I'm going to magnetize this needle by rubbing the magnet against it. So now I'm gently going to place it in the water and now it's going to point north. But first I'm going to put this magnet away. See? So now it's pointing north. And let's compare this with my dad's phone. Now, see, this is north. So now I'm going to gently move the compass we made to the other side and see if it goes back to north. See, it went straight back to north. So now, you know how to make your own custom compass. So if you ever get lost, you'll always find your way. So for this experiment, I've got 2 magnets and I've got an iron nail to check if these magnets are working. So first, I'm going to check if these two are working. Yep, this one works. And this one works. So now we're going to heat one and put one in the freezer and see how they behave after that. So now I've got a cute little magnet in this cute little pan. And now I'm going to ask my parents' help to heat up this magnet. So now we've heated the magnet up for a few minutes. And now let's see if it still works. See? It doesn't work. So as we all know, the magnet has a north pole and a south pole. And if you heat up the magnet, the alignments all get mixed up and the magnet stops working like a magnet. Now I've put this magnet in the freezer for 5 days at the lowest setting. And let's see if it still works. See? Wow, it still works. So, if you heat a magnet, the magnet stops working. But if you freeze a magnet, the magnet keeps working. Interesting, right? I'm going to show you a neat little trick. So for this experiment, I'm going to make a homopolar motor. And now I'm going to show you what a homopolar motor is. So now, using this, I've got some copper wire, a magnet, and a battery. And see, this magnet has a magnetic force which goes up. and and the battery has an electric force which goes down, and together it makes an outward motion. Let me show you using this copper wire. Now I've got this very cute shaped heartly copper wire. Now I'm gonna put it right over here. See? It's spinning around the battery like a beautiful ballerina. So I hope you like this video about magnets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.